Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome again. My name is Promate aka the ZuluMachine, and today, guys, we are unboxing a Promate, guys, xWatch R20, guys. They choose. Yeah, hope you're gonna enjoy this video, guys. And if you enjoy watching our channel, please do remember to support our channel by clicking that subscribe button, click that notification bell on so that you don't miss anything from us. Other than that, remember to leave the comments below. Tell us if you've seen anything like this in life. And also, what am I saying it up? Let's get this video started. Yeah.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Yo, what's up, guys? Today, guys, we got the iWatch. It's called iWatch. Yeah. It's iWatch. I am joking, guys. It's a xWatch R20, guys, from Promate, guys. So this watch, basically, guys, is sold by EVTech now, which EVTech has started selling out Promate products, which I'm gonna be unboxing with you guys because EVTech gave me this watch to check it out and see how it is, and also to review it and check and think, you know. But anyway, thank you so much to EVTech for giving us this cool accessory. We never do things with watches, but yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. We're doing things with watches now, which is gonna look pretty cool. But yeah, anyway, first things, before we even unbox it, let's see what it says here. We're gonna read some fine print technical stuff before you use the watch, you know. Okay, first thing, you know, I'm not gonna read from the box. I don't need to read anywhere else. So basically, it tells me it's very tough, like tough. I don't know how tough it is, but it's very tough. And there's a lot of things. But what I can see is that it has a lot of 100+ modes of exercising that you can do here, and it basically manages your health or monitors your health. What's it true? Monitors your heart rate and everything like that, like any other normal watch would do. Yeah, smart notifications, activity tracking, plays music, and it has a 10-day lifespan, the battery of it, guys. Yeah, I'm just reading on from the box here, and it has a built-in pedometer. I don't even know what that does, but it has a pedometer that you can use from it. Also, 100+ customizable faces for those who like them faces, you know, changing left and right. Yeah, and after that, we talked about oxygen. We talked about water. Oh yeah, it has a bit of water resistance. You can swim in it a bit, but not too much. They didn't specify how long it is from the box. About blood pressure prediction, so double checks for blood pressure, which is actually good for us people who are growing old. You know, if our blood pressure is too high, we know like, yeah. But anyway, we haven't tested that. Hopefully, it does work perfectly. We'll try and test as much as we can because we can only test as much as we can, guys. Yeah, and also the lifespan of the battery, guys, 10 days. It is quite a lot from the watches, but I know if I'm using the Huawei watch that I used to use, which I'm gonna put where away this one I used to use, basically it lasted around, if I had to use it, 2 to 3 days or less sometimes, because yeah, it's a watch. I don't know, even less, because once I start doing training and start activating training stuff on it, doing all of this thing, doing a lot of working, like in Comic-Con, I had to charge it in the afternoon because it was quite low. Well, I activated my walking at Comic-Con so I can track all my steps and stuff, because I wanted it to tell me I'm walking too much, because I was walking too much at Comic-Con. Anyway, yeah. So for this one, 10 days is a lot, guys. And you have to read all the other things, guys. It has hands-free, connection-free, seamless Bluetooth calling. You know, you can call it a Bluetooth instant notification replies, and you can reply your messages with this watch. And what else? Hands-free. About like when you're driving, you can call with your watch basically, so that you can avoid accidents and stuff. So basically, like call, and you don't hello, you keep your hands on the drive and you free about all of that. Yeah, and also it has a lot of workout things that it comes with it, which I haven't seen it. They don't specify what things it comes with it, but it does have a powerful 710 mAh battery, and also that battery is, when it's being used, lasts up to 10 days. But if it's on standby mode, it's 60 days. So if you leave it on standby mode and don't do anything on it, 60 days max, I think. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, but anyway, basically this watch is good for you whether in a meeting, you are doing your daily chores, you are working out. It's a good watch with a bit of extra things like other watches have, and also it has water resistance. We did talk about that. So when you're stuck in the rain, you are sweating vigorously, you are washing something, or you're busy training in a swimming pool, it will survive, it will keep up with it. Yeah, I don't specify how much depth and stuff in it, but yeah, you know me, I haven't found it, but they don't specify that yet. Might have to look further, like in the whole website, what they bring or what they tell you about the tech specs and stuff. Yeah, but the other stuff they tell you that it's a 5.0 Bluetooth version, and a frequency they do specify it, which is like 2402 something, yeah, which I don't think it's important for you. Resolution is 360x360. That's the resolution of the watch here. It has a RAM and a ROM. A RAM of 160 KB, and the ROM is 250 ROM, which is, yeah, anyway, for those who know RAM and ROM, you balance it out. Otherwise, yeah, that's that. Battery usage, charge time. Okay, basically you can charge it in 2.5 hours to full battery. And yeah, that's about it. Also supports Android 5.0 and iOS 9.0 going upwards. And I don't say anything about Huawei, but you know, Huawei is part of Android, so we also don't say anything about it. But yeah, anyway, this is the R20, guys. The price of it at EVTech, guys. And let me just make sure I'm looking at the price of it to make sure I'm saying it right. So the price of it, this watch, before you even open it up, guys, I want to tell you the price now before you even open it up. It is 949 Rand, guys, right now, like now. Yeah, so it means on the 24th of May, which is 24th of May right now, it is 940. You can get it. It is on quite a good special at EVTech, but the normal price of it is 1,399. Yeah, 1,399. Basically 1,400. That's the normal price, but right now it's on special, so you go get it 949. So yeah, you can get it. But anyway, we have talked a lot, and I've talked a lot of spec. Now it's time to see what's exactly it's in the box, because we've been yapping, and you know, I can yap all day, but no more yapping now. Time to look at the process, look at the things that we're talking about. So firstly, I have to hold this thing up here. You see Promate, and you go, boom. Okay, boom, it's off. There's nothing there except that, and also these wires here, the red wires. First thing we see here, I'm gonna have to put it down because I have to carry everything. Okay, you get this thing which looks red, and it's not like your belt or your watch belt. It looks like it's a watch screen thingy. What protection? Which I was still gonna check, but it's like a screen protection, which I'm gonna put on the side a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna try to put it on the side. And also there's a manual that you get from it. Yeah, that's the manual. I don't see anything specific per se, but it has all these other languages, French, the one that I could open the page and get French, and also obviously with English, and it also tells you how to download. Oh, there's also, you can download the xWatch app from the iStore or Android store. Yeah, that's what it's talking about. And also it tells all of the specs that I was telling you about this, but 6 days of watch usage and stuff, and also water level, IPA67, and the weight and stuff about, yeah. It has all of those specs here, which is like in a very, very small format, but there it is. It has all the specs there and features, which is not, you know, but it's cool. And also blood pressure, sleep tracking. Yeah, it does sleep tracker. So you basically, you sleep with your watch or something like that. Okay. Yeah, anyway, let's look at the box. There's a lot of cool things that are on this thing, which I just noticed now. Anyway, after that, inside there's nothing as you see. Yeah, there's nothing there except, okay, we're gonna put this on the side because we want to keep the watch protector there. And also, how I'm gonna take this thing out now. So now it's like this. Anyway, wait. I can do this. There's a thing here which I can do this. We take the watch, we put it in front of me. We deal with the stuff that's left. Okay, first thing, what do we have here? It's another one of these covers. Looks like we have backup stuff. Okay, we've got some belts here, which are backup, obviously, for your arm, for your watch. So you got your secondary belt, arms, watch arms, which is cool. You know, it's cool. I'm telling you that you're gonna need them after using them for a couple of years or months. And also, I think we've got a charger here. Which I'm gonna have to take it out because I need to make sure this thing has a battery, or yeah, before I even turn it on. Actually, I think it will turn on. It's just a matter of, if it doesn't turn on, then that means I have to go charge it. And also, I was supposed to repeat in a very nice way. I did not repeat in a very nice way. Yeah, anyway, that's the charger. Boom, HEs, guys. Hopefully you see it. Yeah, that's the charger. Comes with a small cable and USB. They can connect anywhere, I guess, these days, because these days everything is USB. So it's cool. I'm gonna put it on the side here. Okay, after that, there's something here. Ooh, okay, we have finito everything there. No more everything. Yeah. Now we'll see what you have here. There is something that looks like a wire thing here, but I'm gonna check it out for you guys. I will open everything here to make sure we got everything, you know. Okay, we got, I think, another charger. Yeah, another charging cable, guys. This one. Yeah, I think we got 2 charging cables, if I'm not mistaken, because we got this one and we got this one. So, yeah, they almost. Yeah, I don't know how it works, but yeah, we got 2 cables. They're all USBs also, and they connect there. We'll see which one works, which one doesn't work. Okay, I think we're done with the extras, you know the extras. Yeah, we're done with the extras. Let's just put these things away. I'm trying to put all of these plastics that I'm not gonna need anymore back into the red cover thing. Okay. Oh wait. Let me put back also the backup arms. Yeah, you'll need those later in your life, but we have to save them, guys. Okay. Put that aside. Now it's time to take out the watch. So basically, there is a hole here. You just have to push. Boom, it's out, and there it is, guys. This is it. I hope you can see, guys. This is it. Wow, and also at the back here, I think that's where the charger goes, under my, like here. And also, I think it's the sensor of it for the sensing and stuff. But it does look bulky. Before we even rip it out, let's look at the arms quickly. So these are the arms that it comes with, guys. They are plastic, but they look tough, you know, they look cool. Also, they're almost the same as theirs, but these ones, let me see. So these ones were the Huawei ones, which are very old now. But these ones are kind of big, which I think it's gonna be good for me. Yeah, but they look similar, just in the, yeah, same type of material. But they said this one is tough. That's what they did specify. It's very tough. So let's get our watch ready, guys. Let's get our watch ready. First thing is, where do we peel? Okay, we found the peeling part. Guys, everything has to be peeled these days. You have to peel something. Okay, this peeling is not as nice, but anyway, last bit of peeling. Yeah. Okay, this is a chunky boy. OMG, guys, look at that. Kind of chunky. Okay, the screen is protected by a plastic thing on top right now, which I need to cover it with this part, which I don't know how it goes, but anyway, I need to take this part and cover it. So first thing, let's remove the plastic here. Another peeling, guys. Satisfying moments. Yeah. Peelage. Can I peelage you now? Okay, the peel is done, guys. Look at that. Okay, now you can see the reflection. Wow. Okay, this looks nice. Now, can I connect this guy to this so I can protect my screen before it gets old? Don't know how it works, guys. I really don't know how it works.
2,000 years later.
Okay. You drag it and Boom, it's down. Now you got your watch up and ready. Now you put it on your arms to make it look pretty, but you can't see it. Okay, let me back off a bit to see how it looks like or how it feels like. For those who don't know, you put your watch on your left hand, guys. I don't know if you are right hand, if you are left-handed, I don't know. It depends on your hands, but for me, I put it on my left hand because it's easier to do. Okay, and also I'm trying to move the belts here, the small things, because it does feel like it's a big watch. It is a big watch. It does feel like that. So I'm trying to make sure also the ribbons are holding well. Okay, I got 2 ribbons anyway. Try to make sure they stick or they are sticking. Okay. Yeah, I think my ribbons are weirdly because I moved the other one here and that one here. I'm just like, yeah, at the end, just making sure it's sticking there. And okay, to answer true, it does feel a bit heavy. And since I have not tested it like correctly to see how does it feel like when you're running, this is gonna be good. But anyway, it does feel like part of me. Okay, except standing. Okay, wait. Yeah, it does feel part of me. Yeah, so I can't stand. But anyway, it does feel part of me, guys. Anyway, hopefully you guys are good. Hopefully you enjoyed our new watch, Promate Innovation Excellence, guys. There it is, guys. And also, here are those some of the functions, just to show you. Yeah. Alright, that's about it for today. This watch is a lot. And I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Please do click the subscribe button if you enjoy what you have seen, guys. And also remember to tell us if you've ever had this watch or not. Otherwise, it's very cheap, guys. Less than 1,000 rand at EVTech, guys. EVTech gets it at 949 right now. Yeah, before it goes up back to normal prices. But yeah, anyway, one of the Promate products that started selling now. So good luck. Go check things out at EVTech, guys. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy this one. Otherwise, this is ZuluMachine signing out. Enjoy the day and goodbye.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.